How to find Coinbase promo code. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide on how to find Coinbase promo code. So let's get started. Firstly, open your web browser and go to Google. Once inside the Google, type Coinbase promo code 2024 or Coinbase promo code in the search bar. Then simply browse through reliable sources. Look for the links from trusted coupon websites and simply tap on the website which is reputable to avoid fraudulent or expired codes. Once you tap one of them, ensure the promo code is valid and still active. You can usually find this information in the description on the coupon website. Once you find a valid promo code, simply highlight the code and you can see the copy option available right next to it. Tap on the copy, then simply go to the Coinbase account and log into your Coinbase. Then you can use this while checking out. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.